The blueish mainly feeds on nuts and seeds such as acorns and soft fruits. It typically gleans fruit from trees in the ground. They may remain with their parents for 1 to 2 months. The name Jay derives from its noisy. Blueish can be very aggressive toward other birds. They sometimes raid nests like squirrels. Blueish are known to hide nuts for little consumption. The clutch can contain 2 to 7 eggs, which are bluish or light brown with brown spots. Young are brooded by the female for 8 to 12 days after hatching.